Hello students, let us solve this problem. This problem is related to speed and time. If a boat travels about 4 km in 1 hour, how long it will take to go distance of 11 km? Here time taken to travel 4 km is 1 hour, which is given in the question 4 km in 1 hour. Okay, so to find the time taken for traveling 1 kilometer, divide this 1 by this 4. You can see it in the next step. For 1 kilometer it is 1 by 4. Here we divided 1 by this 4. Okay, so time taken for 1 kilometer is 1 by 4. Time taken for 11 kilometer is 1 by 4 into 11. Now you know how to multiply 1 by 4 into 11. Firstly, numerator into 11. That is 1 into 11 is 11 by 4. That is 11 by 4. We can reduce this number as 2 3 by 4. Actually 11 by 4, when we divide 11 by 4, here you can see the division process. Answer is 2. While you divide 11 by 4, answer is 2. So write the answer first. Now 3 is remained here, so we write 3 by 4. We write 3 by 4 as fraction. So the final answer is 2 3 by 4 hours. It's a very simple problem. Firstly, write the given datas. That is, time taken for 4 km is 1 hour. Now convert that data into the base form. For 1 km, the time taken is 1 by 4 hour. After converting into the base form or 1 km, you can find the time taken for any distance. For 10 km, 1 by 4 into 10. For 20 km, 1 by 4 into 20. For 100 kilometers, 1 by 4 into 100. Here we need to find the time taken for 11 km. So we multiplied 1 by 4 into 11. It's 11 by 4 numerator into 11. That is 11 by denominator. Here denominator is 4. So 11 by 4 hour is the answer. Now we converted into that fraction into the mixed fraction by dividing 11 by 4. While dividing 11 by 4, 2 is the answer. Write this 2. Then 3 is remained here. We can't divide 3 by 4. So write 3 by 4 near to 2. That is 2 3 by 4 hours is the final answer. Another question with the same concept. If a boat travels about 12 km in 1 hour, how long will it take to go distance of 40 kilometers? So it's given time taken to travel 12 km is 1 hour. Now to find the time needed to travel 1 kilometer, just divide 1 by this 12. That is 1 by 12 hour. Here we need to find the time required to travel 40 kilometers. So to find the time required for 40 kilometers, 1 by 12 into 40. Numerator is 1. 1 into 40 is 40. Denominator is 12. That is 40 by 12. 40 by 12 hour. Now we are simplifying this 40 by 12 by division. 40 by 12. Here 3 is the answer. So write 3 here. 4 is remainder here. We can't divide 4 by 12. So write 4 by 12 after 3. So 3 4 by 12 hour is the final answer.